Lilas, welcome back to my channel. So today is Thursday. So sorry, today is Wednesday, and I'm going to the salon. You look at my hair. Yeah, it doesn't look good. So I'm going to the salon. I'm going to do. I'm going to work on my hair, of course. I have braids here. I'm not going to unplait, but I'm going to do, how is it called, repair, because my braids still look good, but the edge, I don't know, it's not for me. And I also broke my nail. Look at that. I don't know whether you can see it. I broke it, so yeah, I have to replace it for it to match with. I feel like my natural nails look better than actually than the painted one, but I'm going to do that. I'm going to the same salon that works on my hair and my nose. This is the bag that I'm taking. I have everything that I want here. I want to use my water bottle, braids, and other things. Yeah, that is what I'm going to be doing. And then after, in the evening, I'm going to go out. I feel like I need to go out because you guys have been so demotivated for 2 weeks now. I even have work and videos to edit, but I'm not feeling it. I have things to attend to. So yeah, I've started to go and work on my hair. Maybe that can help. And then after, in the evening, I'll just go out for a live band and chill out and see if that will help. Scent of the day, I'm having this William Walker fragrance, number it is 333. I have a new collection of perfumes, and a video is going to come soon. I went for perfume shopping. I want to be with a collection, so I mixed that with my favorite Atlantis Red. This is how it looks like, and I love this, but unfortunately it's about to get done. But anyway, I have another brand new collection. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. I hope I'll be vlogging the whole day. But yeah, we've started this vlog from here, and I think it's going to be good. Anyway, bye. Hey my loves, welcome back. So I came back during the day. I went for my hair. Let me show you. It looks nice and neat. Yeah, they made it. Look at that. So it's brand new. It looks good. So I'm going out with my friend Gigi. I'm waiting for her. She's about to reach. I'm just from doing simple makeup because yeah, it's going to be a vibe. So I didn't want a lot. And yeah, but it's going to be an outdoor activity. That is live band. For those who don't know, I'm a baddie of live band. So I'm waiting for her. We go. I made my nail. Let me show you. It's now okay. It's now fine. Yeah, this one is kind of painful because I really banged them. So I made them and they are really okay. I hope you can see that. So I'm putting on this top. I made this cut top last year, but I have not been wearing it because I had grown so fat. It wasn't fitting. But today I decided to wear it because I've been working out actually, and I'm putting on these shorts that I made. They have a slit on the side. I have a pocket here and a pocket in the side. It's really nice. So I'm going to put on the shirt that I'm going to throw on, and you're going to. So I'm not going to go with anything apart from my phone, like my phone. So this is the full outfit. It's going to be like this. This is how I'm going. I have got danglers, but this is how it is. I have sneakers on. Yeah, I'm wearing sneakers because I really want it to be free, but of course chic and classy. So these are made from here. I hope I get a nice pic for you guys, but it looks nice, really nice. Everything that I'm wearing is made from premium glam. Okay, so yeah, let me see you when I come back. Scent of the day, William Walker. Yeah, shade 333. And that's it guys for today. See you at the band or tomorrow. Yeah, send someone. Hey my loves, so hi, welcome back here. So today is Friday, Thursday, Friday. Today is Thursday, and I'm just from out. It is currently 1 a.m. and I'm just from an event for awards that is in a Zina Awards, and I wore premium glam. So I wore premium glam and I'm very tired. Guys, I did not show you my outfit but when I was going, but I'm going to put a clip for you in a video. So yeah, I'd gone to represent Shiba and the Shibaholic. So yeah, I'd gone there to see how it was moving and to receive an award, if any, and we received an award. Yeah, so I'm just back home. I'm going to take care of my skin because guys, these days my skin breaks out very quickly. So I have to take care of my skin with my favorite soap and favorite, of course, things to use, and then I see whether I can sleep. I slept so much during the day yesterday and I don't know whether I'm going to get sleep, but we shall see how that goes. So good night. So I've come to take some tea just with my brother and our friend. This is Dana. I'm sure it's not new. So yeah, this is how it looks like at night. Looks like this.
back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt